Hello, everybody. Yep, that's it. The final day of Jingle Jam. Let's make this fun, shall we? Guess what? We're about to have some fun because I am hoping that you guys want to join in for to set up something, a virtual machine. Okay, into here. This is it. The finale. As you can see, I have already prepared that VMware. I have prepped VMware already. Which is nice. The fact that I can actually use that now, because before it was expensive. It was expensive. There. Send anything in that. So that's pocket. There we go. And the other reaches. Hi, Warpstar Kirby. How are you doing? Because, yes, today is the day. The final day of Jingle Jam 2024. Honestly, it's nice. I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. How about you? Ah, nice to hear. I woke up quite later than expected because, let's be honest, I was up until like 2 a.m. Ah. Let's see. Alright. The first thing I want to do is set up a VM with y'all. Because that was what I had for number 150. For 150 pounds raised. So that's why VMware Workstation is open. And yes, it is actual VMware Workstation. Not something simulated or anything. Gonna need to actually add a capture cursor to this. Because that way you can also see what I'm here doing. Looks accurate. And boop. Yeah, you don't have to pay for it anymore. It's free now. I am not kidding. It's... What? No, that's not the one. Finally, free VMware. Literally, it's free. Like, come here. It's free real estate. It's free, like real estate. Just kidding. Real estate ain't free. Yeah. And it works well for what it does. Let me just see what I can do. Oh yeah, I just realized I don't have any sub windows don't get captured. So I need to have this open here so I can come on, grab the... Nope, it doesn't want to grab the window. There's nothing. Let me just swap the windows over so I can... Let me just swap everything over so I can actually put it on this and on the second monitor. So instead of this, I can do this. That way you can actually have proper view. One moment, I'm gonna go ahead and check. Does it do anything with this? Nope. As you can see, the virtual machine wizard is weird. And Jingle Jam overlay. Nudge my avatar in here a little. And mixed. In fact, I might want to move myself over here to the left side so I can just drag this panel out. That way you have a good view, I have free reign to move. Everybody loves free. Thumbnail bar, it's not. Thumbnail bar is nothing. So, how about we begin with an operating system choice? Let's begin by deciding what OS we're going to use. There's a selection we can take from, and I can download it if necessary. Note, macOS is off the table, and I don't really want to install a Windows VM. Because, let's be honest, well, nope, don't drag it off to the side. Remember, it's been... Good to know. Let me just... Ben, new live, Hachiki Day. I was thinking of editing the VOD anyway. unpublished default there. Collection inspection number 3. Games and demos, save. All right. Let's do this. Warp Star. Oh. Okay. Never mind then. So, any takers? Any takers? What's up, my Carbo? What shall we do for the operating system of the virtual machine? Because I don't just want to simply do Ubuntu. To be fair, I'm used to Debian, but I'm also dabbling into those immutable ones like Aurora and Bluefin. I'm not going to do Windows or macOS. Windows because that would be too easy, and I don't have a license that I can use for it. And macOS because, well, I'm using a Windows host. It's not going to work. It's not going to be easy. Plus, I don't want to get sued by Apple for doing this. For showing it off on stream. KDE for college. OpenSUSE. OpenSUSE I also used for... I also use it at school for Linux classes. Still have a book. Still have a book for it. Of course, that was an older version of it, but Kali is more one that you run off a USB drive, though, and that one's for pen testing. I've also used, Kubuntu, which is Ubuntu with KDE desktop interface for KDE desktop environment. I've used Mint before. I'm currently using something based on Fedora on my laptop. My secondary one, my primary laptop, still uses Windows, as does my desktop. I've used Manjaro. For the past week. Yeah, that tracks. Believe me, I would also be using a Linux VM for school stuff. Server 2019. We also used Server 2019, but that was specifically for Windows Server. Meanwhile, I had a book for Server 2016. Let's see. Q4. DV1. KDE as in KDE Neon, or another one with a KDE desktop environment? Using KDE for its desktop environment. Yeah, Plasma. That's a desktop environment. That's not an operating system. Look. There's this one, KDE Neon. Oh. Which is basically one that KDE builds every so often to just show off what their tech now looks like. What tech looks like now. It's Ubuntu based. Technically yes, technically no. It is cutting edge, but it's not beta. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I have an idea. I'm thinking... I'm personally thinking this. Just... I think I'm doing this. I'm also not entirely used to it, but that's what makes it fun. This seems to emulate old Next Step, which I haven't used. How about we do it? Let me just... 17 European languages. Ah, good, it's donation-based. i386, I'll take AMD 64, please. Yeah, it seems to be based on Next Step. It seems to emulate the look and feel of Next Step, which was an operating system that Steve Jobs was working on during his time away from Apple. Next Computer, you know that? Next Step was one of the foundational pieces of modern Mac OS, even. So that it would be a fun little experience to try. Good. It's spins. Da ba da 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 ba da da ba ba da da ba. OBS community. Boom. Oh, it's done. It's done downloading. Let's go. Let's make the VM. Oh. Window Maker Live doesn't seem to realize it. Debian 12 64-bit. Oh, come on. VMware virtual machines. Window Maker Live. Window Maker Live. Let me just boom. I'll give it a 20 gig. Finish. Here we dual core. Yeah, we'll give it two. We'll give it 2 cores, 2 gigs of RAM. Should be good. Go for it. Install Debian as you would on a physical computer. And got Control Alt to exit out of the. What? Oh, look. English. Europe. Netherlands. Keyboard layout is good. Oh, I'm setting up a Linux VM right now. Pen. I am doing a thing. English. And stream gameplay. Studio mode. Content scene. Window capture. Turn off main display. And click. Drag it down into this. As you can see, I need to either stretch it or squash it. Stretching it. There. Yes, I am Linuxing right now. Host name. Jam 24. The root account will be created for the root for use the root account for non-administrative activity. No. That's not happening, bud. Time for me to generate password. I do love how it does feel like I'm installing a VM, an operating system from the 1990s. So let me just create an item. Password. Let's go with 16 characters for now, because it makes no sense for me to do anything longer on a machine that's not going to be easily it's not going to be quickly shared. DJ. Nice try, bot. Guided. Use the inner disk. Yes. What? 21.5 gigs? All files in one partition. Let's go. Continue. Yes. Writing partitions. This is an interesting one. Because I didn't expect this to be a thing. No, I really didn't. And it's based on Debian, which means it's stable as heck. It means packages won't update that often, but they are stable. Packages are stable. They are thoroughly tested. And it means I'll need to... Actually, that may have been a lie there. That may have been a lie. Because I've been able to break a Debian system before. And if you try to do a sudo command if you're not in the file, it says, you are not in the sudoers file. This incident will be reported. But who does it report it to? Let me just... What was the size of this file again? Yes. Browser. 695.309. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He's copied on far spool mail route, so be good, for goodness sake. This is a good meme. And no, I am not able to speed this up because this is running at full speed. copying a lot of data to disk. The light is basically flickering like a madman. And I do mean like a madman. Window maker, of course. System tray. Oh, configuring package manager. Let's go. Bootloader. Yep. Installed Grub PC. AMD 64. It's going quick. Yes, this one. Into Dev SDA, please. Scale with the canvas. Check until I'm pixel perfect. Pixel perfect. There we go. It has to be pixel perfect. Close enough. You can tell them dragging the window by just the cursor. Stuck. Here, so oh, remove live. Oh, it's running remove live packages. Got it. There we go. Oh, it powered itself off. Interesting. SMBus host controller not enabled. Yay, it adjusted itself. Wait. Oh. Nice. Nice. Let me just punch in a password. Oh, it says preparing the desktop. This is a... Oh. Congratulations! Window Maker Live works! Confirm. Yes. This is interesting. Focus mode manual, yep. Look at that. This all makes sense. Just the menu bar. Yeah, this all makes sense. Themes. What's this? Oh! New steps simulating macOS. Sleek, maybe a bit too sleek there, but Wide Wind Classic. Look, this is next step stuff. Network connection is plugged in. This is volume settings. Power management. What's this? that's for Pale Moon. First box, Emacs, text edit. Wait, text edit? Is that actual? It is! It is actual OpenStep text edit. Wait, web surf. New window. This feels like a classic. HTTPS. The old net. Great to know. This crashed. Administration. Nope. 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 Standard file transfer included. Remina is used for. That's for for Windows Remote Desktop as well. So that's useful if you want to, get access to an application that's built for Windows. Wait, Pigeon? What's Pigeon doing here? GNU step is G workspace. That seems to be based on Finder. On the old Finder. FTP and web surf. Open. No, that's web page. Info. Panel. Web surf. Net surf. Yep, there we go. Oh, it's only supposed to look like an old browser. Google.com. As you can see, it's really based on the old net.com. Proceed. That's not right. Let's see if if the front page of Twitch actually loads on this thing. Nope, it really doesn't. And I need to hold down Alt to go into to do those. Wait, what's this? Pale Moon is... What's that again? No. Go on a base web browser based. This is the one you need. Applications, terminals, terminal app. Oh. I'll install Flatpak because that's useful. That's honestly useful to have. Let's run a little upgrade. Yes. Let's have to go to full system. Let's see if full distro. Nope. Let's do the Flatpak setup. It's flathub.org. Set up FlatHub, Debian. Okay, that doesn't work. Flatpak remote. And if not exists, FlatHub. There. Oh, requires authentication. Wonderful, wonderful. I think I typed, yep, authentication failure. Authentication complete. Which means now I can see if I can install a program that I... Wait, what's Memorando? Why is that... Huh? Let's see what happens if I were to install Obsidian. See if they have a native install as well. Yes, they do. Which means I'm just gonna go ahead and do install. I'll install Firefox via Flatpak. Or should I just use Pale Moon? Yeah, I'm gonna use Pale Moon. Unless... Good to know. Pale Moon doesn't understand a dang thing. Flatpak install Mozilla Firefox. Run the installer. Let's go. Look at that. The time actually also shows accurate. Actually, that's UK. That's UK time. Simple agenda. Quit. New mail. It's fun. This is honestly really nice to see. That there is just a way to get this stuff working. This is... PC Man FM. Up. Applications. Web browser, no. Numeric is available. Do mail. Computer administrator, doc apps, web services, open URL. Yes, obsidian.md, enter. Oh, I'm supposed to be using Otter browser, which is also kind of scuffed. It looks to me like Otter browser doesn't even understand using... Oh, I have to right click. Otter browser doesn't understand dark backgrounds. This is all just very old stuff, basically. This basically is kind of simulating old stuff, but also kind of not. And the entire system and the entire application just crashed. Traders, soft, update menus? No. Sounds, office network? No. Wait, don't tell me. Docs and info? Nope. Doc apps, that's alright. Oh, that's where package manager is. Do not show this dialogue again. Unless I need to search. Obsidian. Firefox? Nope. Quit this one. Sysadmin. It's just a quick terminal. Web services, securely open URL. There is wallpaper options. Run org.mozilla.firefox. And boom, there is Mozilla Firefox, just how you remember it. Maximize. There we go. Let me just. Obsidian.md. There we have it. I am not gonna do anything with the Debian, with anything but a Debian file. This is a weird operating system, let's be honest. Now, let me be clear. It's not supposed to crash like this. File manager. PCManFM for now. Control H. Local share Flatpak repo folder. Right, no, it's share. It's for data. Good. Eject. Unless, of course, that's how we do it. Execute. Flatpak. Run Firefox. History. Click. Show in a file manager. Yes, continue session. Settings, preferences, content, background color needs to be. Why are you like this? Let's see if Pale Moon does anything. Yep, Pale Moon does work. Deb. Yes, save file. Save. There we go. Iconize, download. Why are we doing this? Open with. I don't have anything to install it with. Depackage. Package settings, edits. No. Hang up. Open in terminal. Shell number 1. Sudo depackage, then unpacking Obsidian. Now we need to applications, editors, nope, update menus. Obsidian, there we go, exit. And boom, there it is. Create a new vault. Oh, I gotta use a folder. Select folder. Yep, there we go. And the entire UI is just too big. Gotta love it how it doesn't fit the UI of the system at all. See, native frame, relaunch. There, now it makes sense. Also quite snappy. Good to see. Good to see. But can we get video? https youtube.com/ Actually, no, let's use Twitch. Let me just turn off the system audio because otherwise I will get a loop. Look at that. It works. Somewhat. Oh, look, there's the Oxcast. And Pirate Software as well. It's loading. Slowly it's loading. Ah, a network error. Good to know that it's still just the same old broken piece of crap. Filters. Shade is a bit of an annoying keybind. WM clip. Stick it to the top left corner. Let's see, network. GNU Mail. Settings. Default apps. Let's use Pale Moon. Let's use Pale Moon. Clause. Mail. Mutt. PC Man FM is use this default. Debian X terminal emulator. Yeah, that makes sense. Handbrake? Wait, Handbrake's installed here? Simpleagenda.app. Let's do 8 hours. Pen, what? Oh, he. Ah, you're just lurking. Jingle Jam Day 14. Window Maker. Emacs Gemas? What? What's this? Oh. It's immediately... program is immediately frozen. New file. Oh! Oh, it's an editor. Code editor. What's this? Ah, this is clause mail. Synaptic. Gemma for new step. Kill the application, yes. Computer dock S. Window maker needs the settings change. Change some settings. Display power default applications like DM is good. 2 steps back. Close out of that. Properties. New step maybe? Web surf, talk soup. Preferences. Font manager, volume control. Preferences, themes, next ish. What's modern step? Europe, Amsterdam. Okay, defaults. There's like two ISs running basically side by side and through each other. 8.6 box, that's for emulation of Windows machines then. Oh, it's downloading stuff. This is nested emulation. This is an emulator within a VM, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. 601. IBM PC Basic. 10 print. Hello world. 20 go to 10. Run. Virt Manager. This is VMs. This is a virtual machine. This is for QEMU key or KVM, which isn't enabled in this system, I think. Don't know why it comes pre-installed though. Editors, we have plenty of that. File transfer. FileZilla. We have 2 FTP clients, which is hilarious. Losernet? Info. Oh, it's a newsreader. What's Muttmail? Oh, that's terminal stuff. Apopo? Network Office, privacy, publishing, sounds, terminals, utilities, video. And go on, we're waiting. There we have Handbrake. I actually used that one. I used that one this year as well. Inkscape comes package. Let's check the new image manipulation program. Because I am guessing it's... Oh! This is plugins. This is version 2.10. I'm using that on Windows as well. $640, $480. Hardest brush available. Like this. Hey. As you can see, it's it's easy. Discard changes. What's back in time? Oh, that's backups. There's also Talk Soup, which is IRC. Of course, I cannot use that for Twitch chat because Talk Soup is I don't think it supports the authentication required. So KeyPass, SC installed, XC installed, Audacity, Symfony. What's this? What's this? Help. Info panel. Oh, it's a music player. Good to know. Hydrogen? I've never heard of this one before. hydrogen is it's a drum machine. Quit. There's no audio coming from this. There's no CD. There's no CDs and no CD player. Session menu shut down. Let's play some Minecraft. And turn off. Are you sure? Yes. System will now power off. That's the VM all set up.